Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Google Ads suspension case study where the account was suspended for counterfeit goods and how my team was able to help and provided them with a solution through which they can run ads. This is one of a very tough error. Why? Because the Google may identify that you are selling someone else's product without knowing them, or even if you have authorized documents to resale or if you have official documentation, you still need to go through quite difficult procedures to get it approved. But let me tell you another thing. If your Google Ads account is suspended for counterfeit good, unacceptable business practice policy, circumventing system, egregious violation, or any other reason, you need to know that the Google is going to look for all of the factors for even for those for which the account is not suspended before reinstating someone's account. So, which is why it's necessary and essentially important to overthrow all of the suspension errors. So far, we have developed a 160 plus checklist which we use to ensure that your account is not suspended or disapproved on any of the factors before running or applying with the Google to restore your account. And for anyone needs our services, they can find a link in the description for our services for Google Ads disapproval and suspension. Apart from Google Ads disapproval and suspension, we help clients with Google Budget Center suspension, Google Business Profile suspension, Google Ads advertiser verification, and we primarily help clients with Google Ads management as our own service. We also help clients with Google Ads guaranteed, Google Ads audit, conversion tracking, business profile, web hosting, WordPress, and a lot more solutions. And if you look around on our services, the services includes Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads disapproval, and if you scroll below you may see around our other services as well. And this is our monthly management bundle if you need our monthly management, and this is for YouTube video ad disapproval, destination policy violation, and other issues as well. So without wasting much of your time, now let's directly move on to the case study. So this is the website of the client, and if you look around on the client website, they sell t-shirts over here. As you can see around there, t-shirts and services. Now this is an approved website with all of the compliance being done. But if you go through the start, now look around on the start, this was the information they provided to us, and this they were using an old account and a lot more spending was done. And you can see around over here that your Google Ads account has been suspended for violating the counterfeit goods policy. Suspended account cannot run ads in any location. So now move on to this. So I'm going to show you the suspension and all of the details you have to watch. Your Google Ads account was suspended for violating the counterfeit goods policy. You can see around over here. You can appeal again and all, cancel your account and other stuff as well. You can see that it is not acceptable where the Google feels that non-authentic products that have brand names or labels or logos, and suspensions are permanent unless you successfully appeal. And another over here you can see around, now this was an account. You can see the account is suspended for counterfeit goods, designer goods was rejected. If you have any new information, please submit. Okay, look around. So this was the situation, and again this is a very frustrating and difficult task for the client who are running the ads, and a lot more you are spending around over here, you are a lot more running. So which is why it's very important that you need to go with the compliance with all of the factors. So I'm going to show you some of the things as well. So this was one of the audit done by the team over here where the pages were crawled. Look around over here. So there were very few factors over here. For instance, that there was an inconsistency between the email across legal pages. The site uses this email addresses on the contact page and refund policy page, but the privacy policy page uses this. Okay, info dot. Okay, this may be a typo error or maybe unknowingly done, because it's almost the same thing, but it's a Gmail account. So if you use a contradicting email address, this can cause inconsistency, unprofessionalism, and lack of trust on your website. Another error was the product accuracy mismatch over here. Okay, you may be seeing that what does it have to do with the counterfeit. So you can see that Google is going to look on all of the factors before restoring one. So we have to go with this as well. Newsletter prompt over here, localization issue, potentially weak customer service claim. The site claims 24/7 support and live chat with a 1 hour average time, but I could not verify. You can see around over here beyond email in the crawl. So if you are claiming something, you need to physically have it over here on your website. You cannot have it like this one. Okay, you can see around over here. We suggested authenticity page needs stronger proof. Homepage a newsletter has a placeholder. Now placeholder is another error over here which is not allowed. External Shopify policy pages links were going over there instead of your own website. We suggested and created their own about us, stronger contact us page. Shipping policy pages, custom authenticity, anti counterfeit page copy. So this was a very important thing over here. Authenticity guarantee. We sell genuine football merchandise only. We do not sell replica, fake product limitations. You can see that this page also plays a crucial role because your prime suspension was for counterfeit gold. So you need to look around for this and need to look around over here. You can see authentic shirts graded over here. We added the about us page, optimized this page as well for the compliance to get it approved and running. Other pages were also being added. You can see authenticity page has a dedicated over here. So this was customly created by my team to get it approved and running. So we also added disclaimer over here. All products sold by my Box are 100% authentic, officially licensed merchandise sourced from authorized suppliers. You can see my Box is an independent reseller, not affiliated with or endorsed by any football club, federation, or sportswear brand over here. So this was all added for the approval over here. And in the return policy page, this was also custom designed over here. And this is, I'm just showing you just the main over here. There was a lot work being done over here. Now this was a authorization manual copy over here. You can see down the procedure of buying, selling, and how they buy, how they sell. This was the complete source code along with the client documentation and approval. Sorry, I cannot show you all of the information. These are some of the invoices, but you can see the invoices over here. We cannot show you due to the Clients Privacy Act, but please try to understand that this is the documentation we may need. And this is another audit over here. You can see over here the authenticity proof was still needed update, conflicting sourcing language, wholesale suppliers versus directly manufacturing directly from manufacturers. So you can see that even these small words can cause suspension, where if you say that you buy from wholesale supplier, and on other page if you write that we buy directly from manufacturers, this itself creates confusion. So we need to go with the one word. So you can see small to small details, small to small errors over here. Some pages, you can see around over here the French product URL title is 23 by 24, but in the description it says current 22 to 23 season. Okay, it may be that a new season has arrived, but you also need to update your description. So this was all need to be done. Some other small pages as well, some other things as well was also optimized for this as well to get it approved and running. And there were ample of cross verification done by the different team members to get it approved. You can see claim based authenticity, sourcing language, vintage stock, sourcing conflict, duplicated homepage reviews, trust-pilot guideline, conflicting reviews sorted, inconsistent customer count, where we say that on one page they were saying 25,000 happy customers, while the product page was saying 20,000 plus happy customers. Okay, so even these small things can cause suspension, not only for counterfeit but other errors as well. So which is why it's very important, be it counterfeit or any other issue, you need to get compliant for all of the factors to get it approved. So which is why it's very important to go through all of the suspension. Okay, this account is suspended for counterfeit, but this is going to know, we need to look for all of the factors. Fact update, some policy pages were further updated. We look for the source code. Okay, we even provided the open how you can open the box procedure, so you can make it all relevant and original. We verified all of the products, different variation, different items. Even what we did was we did the sample checkout to see everything is working fine on the website or not. We were doing trial checkouts to see everything is fine. All of the pages, broken links, search console errors, so many things were being looked around to get it approved, up and running. So you can see it's not easy. After this, when all of the things were done, a communication channel was being opened, and then what we do was we did our trial running on our test accounts, and that was a moment of relief because our ads were approved after this. And you can see around over here headlines were being approved as well. So after this, we provided them with a Google Ads account. As a Google Partner MCC, we are official Google Partner. We are authorized to issue client different accounts. You can see around over here our Google Partner status as well through our website as well. You can see we are a Google Partner company. You can see our website as well over here. So now we are going to move back directly to over here and see yourself. We created ads, we run it on 3rd July, today is 4th July, today 4th July we got some clicks as well. You can see around over here, you can match this date and this date as well to verify it as well. You can see the ads yourself, eligible, running ads, getting impression, all approved. So yeah, this is a successful counterfeit suspension case study. So yeah, we are over here helping client, and now the client has been asked to do the advertiser verification. Okay, so this was can also be done by the client. So yeah, this is another successful case study for the account being suspended for counterfeit good policy. But if your account is suspended for counterfeit good policy, circumventing system, unacceptable business practice policy, egregious violation, or any other reason, me and my team can help. If your Google ads are disapproved, me and my team can help. If your Google business profile is suspended or disapproved, if your Google Message Center account is suspended or disapproved, me and my team can help. If you need monthly management for Google ads, Google business profile, me and my team can help. If you need website development, me and my team can help. If you need help with meta ads, me and my team can help. So we are a full-fledged company with the name of AARSWEBS.com, and if you want our services, you can follow through the link in the description. So yeah, this is a successful case study, but the story doesn't end over here without a successful remark by our client. So yeah, so the client was very happy and supportive that they even provided us with a review. Helpful, hired them to help me with the Google Ads issue. Even though it was hard with Google, AARSWEBS solution stayed in the loop. With me and helped me find an alternative solution. So yeah, it's a successful case study. And if you want our services, you are more than welcome to reach me and my team through the link in the description with the name of AARSWEBS.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.